The last piece of master data is inventory, the products and materials you keep in stock. ZetaFisc tracks each item's quantity, its cost, its selling price, and links it to the right ledger account so stock movements post automatically. We add one under CRM, in inventory. We give it a name and a stock keeping code, and classify it. Then the numbers, what it cost us, what we sell it for, how many we hold, and the level at which we want a low stock alert. Now the accounting, we open the accounting section and link the item to 3 ledger accounts, the inventory asset that holds its value, the cost of sales account charged when it is sold, and the revenue account credited on a sale. And we create the item. The item is in stock, 20 chairs, valued at cost, ready to be sold on a customer invoice or used in production. That completes the CRM master data: customers, vendors, staff, jobs, departments, business owners, and inventory, the full foundation your transactions build on.